Welcome to the Benefits of Channel. Let's talk strawberries. Strawberries are a popular fruit worldwide, enjoyed for their sweet, tangy flavor and juicy texture. Beyond their delicious taste, strawberries are a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients contribute to overall health and well-being. Strawberries are a good source of vitamin C, a crucial nutrient for immune function, collagen production, and wound healing. They are also rich in fiber, essential for digestive health and blood sugar control. Strawberries contain various antioxidants, including anthocyanins, ellagic acid, and quercetin. Antioxidants help protect the body against damage from harmful free radicals. Strawberries are an excellent source of vitamin C, an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in various bodily functions. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can contribute to chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Vitamin C is also crucial for collagen synthesis. Collagen is a protein that provides structure to our skin, bones, tendons, and cartilage. Adequate vitamin C intake helps maintain skin elasticity and prevents premature aging. Furthermore, vitamin C is essential for a healthy immune system. It helps stimulate the production and function of white blood cells, which are crucial for fighting off infections. Strawberries are a good source of dietary fiber, a type of carbohydrate that the body cannot digest. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. It adds bulk to the stool, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Fiber also acts as a prebiotic, providing nourishment for the beneficial bacteria in our gut. A healthy gut microbiome is crucial for overall health and well-being. It plays a role in digestion, nutrient absorption, immune function, and even mental health. The fiber in strawberries can also help regulate blood sugar levels. It slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing rapid spikes in blood glucose. Section 4. Antioxidants, fighting free radicals. Strawberries are rich in antioxidants, compounds that protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules produced during normal metabolic processes and exposure to environmental toxins like pollution and cigarette smoke. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, preventing them from causing oxidative stress and damaging cells and DNA. Oxidative stress is linked to various chronic diseases, including heart disease, cancer, Alzheimer's disease, and Parkinson's disease. Strawberries are particularly high in anthocyanins, a group of antioxidants that give strawberries their vibrant red color. Anthocyanins have powerful anti-inflammatory effects and have been linked to improved heart health, brain function, and blood sugar control. Section 5. Scientific evidence and studies. Numerous scientific studies have investigated the health benefits of strawberries. Studies have shown that regular strawberry consumption is associated with a reduced risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease. The antioxidants and fiber in strawberries may help lower LDL or bad cholesterol levels and improve blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. Type 2 diabetes. The fiber in strawberries helps regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Certain cancers. The antioxidants in strawberries may help protect against certain types of cancers, including esophageal, lung, breast, and colon cancer. Cognitive decline. Studies suggest that the antioxidants in strawberries may help protect the brain from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of cognitive decline associated with aging. These studies provide scientific evidence to support the numerous health benefits associated with incorporating strawberries into the diet. Section 6. Incorporate strawberries into your diet. Adding strawberries to your diet is easy and delicious. They are a versatile fruit that can be enjoyed fresh, frozen, or dried. Here are some ways to incorporate strawberries into your daily routine. Enjoy a bowl of fresh strawberries as a snack or dessert. Add sliced strawberries to your breakfast cereal, yogurt, or oatmeal. Blend strawberries into smoothies for a refreshing and nutritious drink. Use strawberries in baked goods like muffins, pies, and tarts. In conclusion, strawberries are not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious, offering a wide range of health benefits. Their high vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidant content contribute to overall health and well-being. Regularly incorporating strawberries into your diet can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases, improve heart health, regulate blood sugar levels, and boost the immune system. So enjoy this delightful fruit and reap its numerous health benefits. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the information and found it helpful. Remember, the content here is for educational purposes and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major health decisions. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Don't forget to check the links below for additional resources. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. See you in the next video.